Lovelies, in this video we are going to look at chemical equations. I promise you it's actually not that difficult. So this is a chemical equation. You have likely already learned what a chemical formula is, and just to remind you, chemical formulas are these individual things. Chemical formulas show you the atoms and elements that make up a particular substance. Well, a chemical equation is a combination of formulas, in essence. A chemical equation is a written expression of what happens in a chemical reaction. So it shows you how those substances interact with each other and how they create new things, and if something new is created. So this entire thing is a chemical equation. We're going to look at the three parts of a chemical equation. The first thing that we need to know is, well, give me an example of a chemical equation. This entire thing highlighted in yellow is a chemical equation. It would help if you pause the video now to write it down as an example. The left side of the chemical equation is known as the reactant side. It includes all chemical formulas on the left side of the arrow. Reactants are substances that take part in and undergo change during a chemical reaction. So if you have baking soda and vinegar, the reactants in that chemical change are baking soda and vinegar. So in this chemical equation, in this reaction, we also have two reactants. This isn't baking soda and vinegar, it's water and something else, but still two reactants. On the right side of the equation, it's the products. The products are what is formed as a result of the chemical change. When you combine baking soda and vinegar, you don't have baking soda and vinegar at the end. You have water and some other things. So the products show us the formulas of the new substances. The arrow in the middle is called yield. Just like in math, when you see an equal sign, you say equals. In chemistry, when you see an arrow, you say yields, although it kind of works the same way as an equal sign. So when we put it all together, we actually say it like this. 2Na2O2 plus 2H2O yields 4NaOH plus O2. And that's it. So let's review. This is a chemical equation. It shows us, written out, what happens in a chemical change. It shows us what we started with, our reactants, and what we ended with, our products. The arrow in the middle is the yield symbol, and it shows us how the substance is transformed. If you have any questions, make sure you stop and ask your teacher before you move on.